Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up Philly cheesesteak pizza and barbecue chicken pizza. So we're going to do two of those. One will be on the Weber and one will be on the gasser on some of the fire stones there for the pizza stone, whatever you want to call it. And yes, it's much bigger in here now. I ripped out the old gazebo and just built a very simplistic roof tarp, but it's much bigger, so much better. Check it out. It's a mess right now. It's not done. Oh yeah. So yeah, got to get this enclosed in for winter time and get proper ventilation through one of the spots, because the gazebo had the hole in the top. Now I don't, so we're gonna channel something, probably with like a fan or something. We'll figure it out, but hopefully I'll be done with this project in another week or two. It depends on with work and stuff, man. Too much. So we're gonna light up the Weber kettle with some Royal Oak Classic and sear off some skirt steak for this Philly cheesesteak pizza. it's a windy one tonight. Dang. You know winter's coming. Holy. Wow. These pizzas smell delicious. Now with that, the gas grill did much better at doing the cook. Actually, the crust is a little more crunchier. But other than I think because I cooked too much on the Weber, I needed a little more fuel, and I never added that before popping the pizza on. That's quite the mistake. But it still smells delicious. Pop the top, cut into these pizzas, and it's time. Heck yeah. I think that Philly cheesesteak pizza is going to be dynamite, but that barbecue chicken pizza looks amazing as well. So let's cut into these guys and give them a taste test. Okay, the 97th train just went by. It's just aggravating. Anyway, pizza's looking amazing. Philly cheesesteak, got a little burnt on the bottom. Philly cheesesteak pizza, guys. Rocking. No sauces, just meat, sauteed onions, peppers, mushrooms, provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese. That's pretty dang good. The skirt steak, that's good stuff, man. Yeah, that Weber Kettle, cooking a pizza on it, like I said, got a little burnt on the bottom, but then the top, really soft. So it was hot enough. Maybe it was too hot. Cooked it too fast, but man, I had that thing on there for like 20 minutes because the top didn't look completely done, but maybe too many toppings. Can you have too many toppings on pizza? Hell no. That's pretty good. You guys think of the new Shanty. Now the ceiling's about 9 foot high. And it leaned down. It's a lean-to. So it goes down to about 6.5 feet. So pretty dang cool. Feels a lot bigger in here. Man, that is good. Gotta get a thumbnail, right? Let's try the one I wasn't too enthused for. Looks amazing. Oh yeah, I added mushrooms to this as well. Chicken, mushrooms, Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce and mozzarella. That's rocking. Did this on the gas grill. man, I think I'd go with that. The Philly cheesesteak one is really good. It's missing something. Some kind of sauce in it. But man, it's still good. It's not like it's bad. Well, here, we'll just add beer to it. Amazing cook. I got a lot of work to do in here, but the majority of it's done. I was up until 3 a.m. putting this together. Could you imagine that? Just the demo of the original roof and then putting all the new on. And I was originally trying to do this with only scraps, free stuff, but I had to spend a little bit of money, not much at all, but you know, some 2x4s, 2x8 by 10 for the main front. But yeah, it's all coming together, and I'm gonna, in the canvas tent tarps are up there in price, but last year's tarps, those things, it's windy as hell right now. Remember last year? Those damn tarps? Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do in upstate New York to barbecue all year long, and this is the way to do it. Unless you got yourself a goddamn cabin or something, but I don't, so I've created a mini man cave cabin. Maybe that's what we'll call it. Man cave, mini cabin, something like that. We'll figure it out. Guys, cheers, pop the top, and look forward to next week's video. And hopefully, no damn trains. Alright guys, later.